Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're looking at big history, a radical new way of understanding everything.
So let's start with a big question about your own origin story, one that goes way, way back.
See, your story doesn't start with your parents, or even the first humans. It starts in the cosmos.
And this isn't just a cool thought. It's the core idea behind a whole new field, big history.
It pulls together physics, biology, and history to tell one single story of 13.8 billion years. Like its founder David Christian says, it's a way to see your place in the grand scheme of things.
It basically breaks down the walls between different subjects, helping us see the big picture. Even pioneers like Bill Gates have gotten behind this framework for its powerful perspective on knowledge.
Okay, so how did we get from a simple, empty universe to stars, planets, and, well, us? Big history explains this journey through key transition points where new and more complex stuff appears. First, the Big Bang, then stars, then life, and finally humanity. You see how complexity builds on itself? But here's the catch. These leaps only happen when conditions are perfect, making each step a pretty rare event. All right, let's zoom in on our chapter. It's pretty wild just how recently our part of the story began. On a cosmic calendar, humanity is a brand new species. We literally show up in the final seconds of the year. So even though we're late to the party, we've had a colossal impact on the planet. Why is that? The key is our unique superpower, collective learning. This is something no other species can do. Yeah, thanks to language and writing, our knowledge just keeps building, driving incredible, accelerating change. We've gone from just another species to the main force changing the entire planet. Some call it the Anthropocene. And that really gets to the point of big history. It's an origin story built for our modern age. It helps us understand where we came from, what we are, and where we might be going. So the story isn't finished. Big history leaves us with a huge question about our own part in it all.